Monte Carlo Rally, considered by many the toughest road race staged, has an added starter this year, snow, to compound the hazards of the twisting, mountainous course. It's cold, there's ice under the snow, and visibility in many sections is very poor, all adding to the difficulties of a race that's tough under the best conditions. When they hit warmer weather around the coast of Monaco, they have a serpentine switchback to contend with. Cars from 25 nations began the long grind, but as they near the finish, less than half of the starters are still in the race. The race isn't always to the biggest and most powerful car. This year, the victors come in small packages. When the handicaps are figured, a Swedish team is first home and all in one piece.